Have you heard about the NIM programming language but don't know how to install it? Don't worry, in this video, you will learn how to install the NIM compiler on Windows. Firstly, head over to the official NIM website and navigate to the Downloads page. You'll find both 32-bit and 64-bit versions available for Windows. If you're not sure which version to choose, it's recommended to go with the 64-bit version, as it's more powerful and efficient. Once you've chosen the version you need, download the zip file and extract its contents to your desired installation directory. This process should be straightforward and simple. Next, you'll want to configure the path environment variable to make the NIM compiler easily accessible. NIM developers usually include also another directory in their path environment variable, besides the NIM installation directory. The Nimble Binaries directory, where the binaries are stored. %userprofile %.nimblebin directory, where %userprofile% is the home directory. To add these directories to your path, you can use a tool included in the NIM installation called finish.exe. This tool checks for the presence of a C compiler and can install MinGW, the GNU C compiler collection for Windows. MinGW is required for compiling software using the NIM compiler. The latest version of NIM supports MinGW 32 and MinGW 64 for 32-bit and 64-bit systems, respectively. If you prefer an easier and more flexible way to install NIM, you can use the ChooseNIM installer. This installer lets you easily switch between different versions of NIM, including the latest stable release and the latest development version. And that's it! With these steps, you can successfully install the NIM compiler on your Windows machine and start coding in NIM in no time. Thanks for watching, and hope I'll see you in the next video.